Mick Meaney, ProfitCopilot.com, and here is a traffic source that has 2 million visitors every month. But this one does require a little bit of strategy to get the best results. So I'm asking you to watch all of this video until the end so you get the maximum amount of traffic available. And when you do watch this until the end, I'm also going to give you a free crash course on how I got over 30,000 website visitors every day for free. And all that traffic changed my life practically overnight. It gave me and my family financial freedom, the financial freedom that we deserved, a ton of security, and most importantly, it gave us all peace of mind for the future. And I'm going to show you how to get that later on in this video. Okay, so today's traffic source, well, it combines article publishing with email marketing. So it kind of gives you 2 marketing channels for the price of one. I mean, right off the bat, plus it's free to use. Also, it allows you to monetize these newsletters so you can create an extra income stream if you want to. Sound good? Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you how to use the platform. It's very easy. Then I'm going to show you how to promote your existing content and drive traffic to your website on autopilot. Then I'm going to show you how to promote your newsletter to an audience of people who crave them. Okay, so let's go check it out. The platform is called Review and the website address is getreview.co, but that's review spelled R-E-V-U-E, and it's from Twitter, so you know that it's a pretty decent quality product. Okay, so this is the main landing page. It promises that you can build a loyal audience. It says it makes it easy for writers and publishers to send editorial newsletters and get paid. Now, interestingly, you're going to see this banner right at the very top. So it promises to help promote your newsletter. Now, when I say newsletter, these, of course, will be sent via email, but also published online on the web. So that's where the 2 marketing channels really comes in. Take the time to explore the page. If you like the look of this traffic source, then go ahead, sign up, and you will be presented with a page that looks like this. Immediately, you will log in to a dashboard that has already created your first newsletter for you. All you have to do is change the subject, change the headline, and add in some content. Now, to do that, again, it's very easy. All you have to do is type your introduction here. It is optional, but I do recommend that you fill in all the blanks. And then down here, we have a H1 section, so we can drag in a new headline. If it will work on Safari, we can drag in some text and we can drag in links. Now, for some reason, oh, there we go, it's working. Okay, so we can edit this link and now start driving traffic to wherever we like on the internet. So we can also add images, videos, and tweets as well. So let me just drag in some text. So there we would edit that. We would create a substantial piece of content, but this is where the strategy really comes in, okay? Pay attention to this. This is very important. You absolutely must drive traffic to a landing page or an email system that you own, okay? We are not going to build a business on here. This is just a marketing channel and nothing else. So we're not going to build a home here. We're going to use this. We're going to siphon traffic from this source and send it into a system that we own and control, an asset that you own. The best one available is, of course, an email list. Now, if you want to build an email list for free, I've got a link in the description to Aweber. It's a special link. It's going to give you 500 subscribers for free. And of course, that is more than enough to get you up and running and making money from email marketing. Okay, go check that out. But the important thing here is that we always send traffic to assets that we own and control. We do not rely on any other marketing channel. We diversify everything. And even though this one is going to give us, say, an income stream, that's fantastic and we'll take it, right? But we're not going to depend on it. That's where the email list comes in. That's where our own email list comes in. Now, when you've put your newsletter together, you're happy with it, you're ready to publish it, let me show you something that you absolutely need to do here. So we're going to automate traffic generation to your website. We're going to use RSS feeds. Now, if you don't know what RSS is, it's a way to syndicate your content across the internet. So we can syndicate your content, we can syndicate links across the internet and drive traffic that way. This allows us to tap into RSS. Let me show you what I mean. So here we have connect source. If we click on connect source, and we scroll down, we've got loads of ways of integrating this platform with other platforms. So we can do crossover marketing, we can do cross promotion. But this is what I really want you to look at, RSS feeds. So you can pull in content from your RSS feeds and add articles to your issues. So if you click manage feeds, all you have to do is put in the RSS feed of your website. So if you're on WordPress, a self-hosted WordPress website, then it is your domain name, so yourname.com/feed. So if I was to put in the Profit Copilot one, I would go HTTPS, and then it will be profitcopilot.com/feed. And that will pull in the most recent articles from my website. If I click add feed, you can see it in action. And there it's just added that feed. Good stuff. Okay, so let's go back to our issues. Up here, if we go to edit, now you can see on the right hand side, we've got a list of recent articles I've published on my website, pulled directly into the feed. It's pretty powerful. Okay, that's basically how to get up and running with this platform, but we want more traffic, right? We want best results here. So what I want you to do is head over to your avatar, your profile icon there, click on that, go down to your settings. Now I want you to update your profile. I want you to have a real picture of your actual face. This is going to create trust easier. Plus, I want you to rename your newsletter. I want you to think about your niche, think about the people you serve, the things that they might be searching for, which we need for the next step of which we need later on. So do think about that. And then I want you to go to account settings. So here we've got a bunch of different settings that we can play with. Take the time to explore this. So first of all, I want you to change the issue description. Change that to something relevant to your niche. Also change the welcome text. If you can, stack the benefits. So what they get from joining this newsletter, the problems that you solve. Also, I want you to put a link to your website and to your social media profiles here. Then you're good to go. Next, we go up to design. Click on design. And now I want you to pick a theme. It doesn't really matter which one you go with. Both look pretty professional. But down here, I want you to upload an image to the email header. This is going to create a very professional looking email. And then you can set your corporate colors here. And then once you're happy with that, we move on to the next step, which is to promote your newsletter. This is where you're really going to drive the traffic. So head over to discover.getreview.co. And here you're going to see a bunch of different topics. These are different niches at the top. It's not the only topics available. You know, there's multiple niches covered here, but it is a good starting point. So for example, if we're in marketing, let's take a look at what we've got. Here are a bunch of newsletters devoted to marketing. So all of these are getting traffic, and you can too. I want you to get featured here. I want you to get as much traffic as possible. Now, to get your newsletter featured here, it's a very quick and easy step. Go over to the hamburger menu, click on it, go to submit a newsletter, fill out every question here, leave nothing blank. That's absolutely essential to success on here. And then submit the form. That will go for manual review. And if you are publishing high quality content, you should be accepted. And when it comes to publishing on the internet, you have to be consistent, because when you are consistent with this stuff, you can achieve amazing results. Take a look at one of my students. He's called Matt, and he's made over $2 million thanks to my traffic methods. And if you want to know the secret and you are serious about growing a popular and profitable internet business, then of course you need more traffic, because traffic equals money. So I'm going to give you the secret traffic methods that I never share on YouTube or anywhere else for free when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. So you can click the link in the description or the thumbnail on screen now. And if you found today's tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too, hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update from me, and I will hopefully see you again very soon. Thank you for watching. Take care.